Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury. Today, we are still sailing on Quantum of the Seas. This is one of the few sea days on this voyage. We had one sea day on our way up, and today we're having a sea day on the way down. And I'm just gonna chill, and I'll show you what a sea day is like on Quantum of the Seas. Come join me. So today for breakfast, we are checking out Solarium Bistro because we're hoping it will be less crowded than Windjammer.
No, 25 now, because I don't know what else. Keep it like that. How can you do No, let's not have it. You make it for the top. Okay, you were doing that.
No? Okay, the Solarium was a great choice. There was like not a lot of people in there. Now, I get a free day of internet, so I'm gonna figure out how to activate it. Good morning, Zebra. So I didn't see a VOOM desk on this ship. VOOM is like their internet, so I figure I'm just gonna stop by guest services and figure out how this works. So I went to guest services. That was so much easier than I was expecting. I could have actually done it on my own. When you go into the Royal Caribbean app, if you go to purchase a single day, it automatically zeroed out for the day. It was so easy. The ship feels surprisingly empty. Even though it's a ship day, I think people are sleeping in. So I came up to the Solarium and we're just chilling. But the other day I was up here staring out these windows in this exact spot and I saw whales. So I am keeping my eyes peeled, looking for whales. If I see one, I'll be lucky to have seen it twice. They are out there. They're definitely out there. But it's all luck of the draw if you see them or not. I'm the only one in my family that got to see them. So I'm down at Schooner Bar and we're gonna do napkin folding. Yes, we are going to learn how to do origami with the napkins. However you want to call it, but that's what we're here for.
And we're gonna open it. Pull a little bit, not too much. And put it there. So now since we are in Alaska, what is this? The tail of the whale, amazing. So you have the candle, and if you open it a little bit more, you have the tail of the whale, the Alaskan tail. Yeah, so you can take it as souvenir, yeah? All right, but now there's more. That's the two shapes, yeah? Let's pull a little bit more, and we're gonna make it Caribbean, because that's a palm tree. Yes, if you open it a little bit more, you have the palm tree. You have to make the shape. So if you have a Caribbean theme for your dinner, you can have the palm tree. So you have the candle, you pull, it's the tail of the whale, you pull a little bit more, and it's the palm tree, yes? And there is one more, yeah? So this one is a little bit more tricky. Let's pull more, open it. So for this one, it's easier if you didn't make it so tight. But open, make it stand up, yeah? And now you're gonna put your hand on the top like this. You're gonna like close it and flip over. So on the other side, you will see the rose. You see the rose? On the other side, so the bottom, you got the rose. So it's the 4-in-1. We have the candle, then we have the tail of the whale, the palm tree, and if you put your hand on top and flip over, yeah, you see the rose. And then again, we fold it to make a square, little square. Make sure all the corners meet, yeah, and press it so it's gonna look nice. All right, now we have the square. You see one of the corners have the 4 layers. One of the corners is open, yeah? So that corner, you're gonna put it facing away from you. So put it into like a diamond shape. pointing at you, and the open corners away from you, facing that way, yeah? You got the 4 corners, the 4 layers. So we're gonna grab the top layer, only the first one, only the top layer, and you're gonna fold it, bring it down, almost all the way down, but not all the way down. Just leave little space, yeah? This is a decoration, so it has to look pretty. And now down, almost all the way down. So now leave a little space from the last fold to this one. And press it. Beautiful. You can leave a space like this in between the other layers. And again, with the next one, press it nicely. And again with the last layer. And press it. Let's see if everyone got it. Beautiful. Amazing. The last layer also. Fold it down. So we have flip over like a pancake. So make sure you don't break it. So the best way is to put one hand on top, the other hand underneath, and flip over so it doesn't break. And a little bit more than the center, yeah? Not exactly the middle, just a little bit more. And press it nicely, yeah. A little bit, yeah? So fold it, the right side, we fold it on top of the other one, they overlap. We don't have to tuck it in, it's just overlap a little bit, yeah? So when they overlap, again, we're gonna put one hand on top, other hand underneath, and carefully flip over like a pancake again. It's a pocket. So now when you put your hand on top, you should have an opening. Yeah, that's a pocket. It's for your forks and knife, yeah, or the spoon. So you're gonna put it on the side of the plate, and then inside you put the fork, the knife, the spoon. So it's really easy, really simple, and it looks pretty to decorate your tables, yeah? So give it up for you guys, that's the second one, yeah? So now we have the candle with the 4-in-1, and then we have the pockets for the forks and knives.
So I had fun with the napkin folding. They had like a whole bunch of different ones that we were able to do, and you know, and now I can have like a very decorated table, right? Like it's a useful skill or a parlor trick for dinner time. One or the other, one or the other. But I'm having a tired kind of day. We've been getting up really early every single day this cruise, like 5:30, 6 o'clock ship time. So it's all catching up. So I'm taking it easy. I have my coffee. I'm sitting on the Esplanade, and they're having like a t-shirt sale. So I'm just people watching and like seeing how people are getting their good souvenir deals. It's an easy day. I'm just relaxing. And as I find ways to relax, I'll let you know what I come up with. Yo, I'm walking along. I found like really cool kinetic art that I have not noticed all week. I don't know how I haven't noticed it all week, but it's pretty cool. So it starts out saying the ocean is my home, and then it makes these bubbles like it's the ocean. And then it'll flip back and say that again. So it's just been a really chill day. I've been just hanging out. I played some digital board games with family, and just mellow day. So we're getting closer and closer to dinner time. It is second fancy night for this trip. So I gotta shower and get the fancy attire on. Fancy attire. But the cool thing is, like, fancy night, it's as fancy or not fancy as you want to be. It's your vacation. You could vacation however you want. I don't get a lot of opportunity to dress up, so I enjoy having a chance to do it. So I'm gonna go get gussied up, and I'll be back for dinner. Okay, costume change. I am in my fancy outfit with my sweatshirt on because it's chilly. It's chilly, y'all. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But I'll show you the fancy night outfit, because remember what I said. It could be as dressy as you want or as not dressy as you want. And I'm feeling it's a little chilly. So I'll show you what I got, and you be the judge, whatever. So I got this is the Star Wars dress, right? So it's like all the Darth Vaders and the TIE fighters, right? And I got my Bowie boots on, right? So as fancy or as not fancy as you want it to be. I'm going casual, but in a dress. The other great thing about today's fancy night, it's lobster night. Y'all, it's lobster night. We're going to do it. We're going to go and we're going to have some lobster tonight. Let's go enjoy. So dinner was great. I had the lobster and my waiter brought me actually 2 tails of lobster. So it was fantastic and delicious and all the good things. And they were celebrating all the waiters because we're coming to the end of the cruise. So they played music and it was a fun time. And then after dinner, me and my family, we went to the Schooner Bar. We did some 90s name that tune trivia. My sister got them all right. She got 16 out of 16, so it was like 15 and a bonus question. My sister rocked it. She did great. Then after, where did we do it? Oh, we went to see Mo5aic. So after we did the trivia, we went to the main theater and we saw Mo5aic. Now, if you've seen me on some other cruises, you know I've seen Mo5aic before, and I love watching them perform. So we got to see them again. They hopped on our ship and they did their acapella beatbox jam, and amazing as ever. I'll put in a clip right here so you can see kind of a sample of what they look like.
Hello. Alright, now for the advanced stuff.
So it was a great time, but it's coming to the end of the day. I gotta get some rest. So I guess with that, I am done for the day. I'll see you all real soon. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.